Assalamu alaikum to all my viewers. Hope so you all will be very fine and cool. Today from chapter number 7, first year chemistry, our discussing topic is first law of thermodynamics. Therm mean heat. Therm stands for heat and dynamics mean transportation. First law of thermodynamics, that is about heat transfer. It is also known as law of conservation of energy. It means energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Total energy always remains constant. Simply, we can also say that total energy of the universe always remains constant. It is also known as first law of thermodynamics. कि हम कह सकते हैं कि इस यूनिवर्स की जो टोटल एनर्जी है वो कांस्टेंट है. कैसे कांस्टेंट है? सपोज दैट प्लांट्स, they are the part of the universe and plants prepare their own food by the process that is called photosynthesis. Plants prepare their own food. That food is glucose, and in glucose bond stored energy, that is chemical energy, is present. Now when we intake the food, then the oxidation of that food take place in our body. Due to the oxidation, that chemical energy change into the heat energy or other form of energy which is stored in our muscles, and by using this muscular energy we can do different types of work. Suppose that we have lifted any body and then we have thrown on the floor. Sound is produced. Sound is also form of the energy, and now this energy is also transferred into the universe. Initially, the chemical energy, bond stored energy in glucose, that energy converts into the glucose bond stored energy, chemical energy. That energy due to oxidation convert into the heat energy, and muscular energy also change into the sound energy. It means energy can change from one form to another form, and total energy of the universe always remains constant. That is also known as first law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics we can define: energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It only changes from one form to another form. Total energy of the system or total energy of the universe, total energy of universe always remains constant. Always remains constant. These are two different definitions of first law of thermodynamics. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only change from one form to another form. Total energy of the universe always remains constant. Suppose that Suppose that we have any cylinder having movable and frictionless piston that was enclosed by any gas. These are the molecules of the gas. The initial temperature of that cylinder is T1. Initial internal energy of that system is E1. Initial enthalpy is H1. Initial volume is V1. Initial pressure is P1. Now we provide Q amount of heat energy. Now we provide Q amount of heat energy to that cylinder. The molecules of the gas, they will gain heat energy and their kinetic energy increases. It means their Coulombian increases. So they will exert the inward force on the piston, and force acting on unit area, that is called pressure. They will exert the inward pressure and the piston will move in upward direction, and volume, its volume becomes from V1 to V2. So its temperature is changed from T1 to T2. Internal energy is changed from E1 to E2. Initial enthalpy is changed from H1 to H2. And initial volume is changed from V1 to V2. Due to providing of Q amount of heat energy to that cylinder. Now, in explanation, all these things can be described. If we see here, if we provide the Q amount of heat energy, then the internal energy change from E1 to E2. So change in internal energy, that will be equal to its heat plus work done. Heat and work done. We know that change in energy delta E, Q heat and work done W. Actually in chemistry we discuss about work. That work is called pressure volume work. P into del we change in volume. Work done by the system is taken as negative, whereas work done on the system is taken as positive. That's why the value of W becomes delta E is equal to Q plus into W minus P into del V. Hence del E is equal to Q minus P into del V. That is equation number 1, and it is a mathematical form of first law of thermodynamics. Now, if we provide a conditions on that system, if delta V change in volume is equal to 0, if we exert a force and initial volume V1, suppose that is 10 decimeter cube and final volume also 10 decimeter cube, volume को हम change नहीं होने दे रहे, the change in volume is equal to 0, it means change in volume del V 0, then del E is equal to Q minus P into the value of del V is equal to 0 multiplied by P delta E, that will be equal to Q. And here, because volume is constant, V stands for volume constant, so heat energy at a constant volume, that is equal to its change in चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी, कि अगर हम वॉल्यूम को चेंज नहीं होने देते तो जितनी भी हम उसको एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करेंगे कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम पर, वो सब उसमें चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी की सूरत में स्टोर हो जाएगी। तो ये हमारा आज का टॉपिक जो है फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स। तो ये दो तरह से पूछा जा सकता है कि स्टेट एंड एक्सप्लेन फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स, तो तब भी हम यही करेंगे, और प्रूफ डेल E इज इक्वल टू क्यू वी, तब भी हम यही करेंगे। फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स, that is very important topic for the point of view of examination. Thank you very much. उम्मीद है कि आपको फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स जो है इसको अच्छी तरीके से जो है वो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा। जज़ाकल्लाह।